the zebra girl with...
Do you remember this person? Blondie. With Blondie. And guess what we're doing?
I still don't like that name.
I know, that's your name. Okay.
Okay, today we are going to be playing Halo CE. That's number 1.
I'm
if you
gonna
don't
be
know
killed.
that. Yeah, she's gonna die. We're playing Flood. Mission 343 Guilty Spark. On normal.
Yes, why don't you click that? No, back. Press back. Thank you.
Anyways, so we're about to start it, and she's gonna die. And I'm gonna be like, the calm one, she's gonna be like screaming her head off because she's a little baby.
Oh, shut up.
It should be co-op this time. We've already started this like 3 times now.
We have tried doing this 3 times, but then she takes too long. It's been loading. It was your Xbox.
It's not my fault the stupid Xbox is old. It's like a 5-year-old Xbox. I'm surprised it's fast.
Didn't we already go through this?
Yeah, but it was solo. I just turned it to co-op. I figured out how. I didn't do anything. I actually had to research it.
We're watching a video, by the way.
Well, enough alone. We're not alone.
The last transmission from the captain's dropship was from this area.
Okay. I'm top. I'm top. You're bottom.
If you locate Captain Key's radio
Oh,
in,
Shiznit,
and
that's
I'll
you.
come pick you up.
Wait, where are you? Hi! Hi! Hi!
Ow. Oh, that's how you shoot. I was just like, oh, that's how you shoot.
Okay, wait, follow me. Turn around. Turn around, look at me. Stop. You hit me. I will hit you.
It crossed my mind. Oh yeah, we were playing before and we just kept shooting each other back and forth.
Does that look like I'm actually going to hit you? I missed. Look at my screen and look at yours. Okay, I have no idea actually where we go. Oh, we go up here. Let's see.
Hopefully. If you're taking me to a trap, I will shoot you.
Look, I have only played this game once. I played Halo 4. What?
Just...
Ooh, pretty.
You really expect me to play this a lot? You really... Ah! Enemy!
Hey, we played this one.
Oh, they're dead. Are they dead? They died? What happened? I'm scared.
Oh, they're coming towards us. They're coming towards us.
Ah, I missed! How did I miss that? Die!
I'm just running the other way.
You were done. I'm really scared. Oh, another thing on the motion tracker. Ooh, free.
Wait, this is Flood, right?
It's...
I'm just gonna start shooting in.
Die! Die!
I'm shooting.
Why do I have to kill you 4 times? Help, 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 help. I'm failing. Okay. Control it! Die! It's like a grenade! It almost fixed everything! You almost died there.
I did.
Yeah, it's just a grenade. Are you kidding me? You're alive? Wait, you have a shield. I shoot it. There you go. I got you a kill. Yay. Okay. I don't know if this was actually the right way.
This is fun. I have a gun. Where are we going?
We're going up around here. I don't actually know
I don't
who's here.
see you. I'm scared.
Where are you? Where did you go?
I don't know.
Oh, I see you.
I'm stuck. I can't see. Oh.
Okay, follow me. Exactly. So go here, and you jump and go forward.
How do you jump?
Okay. Never mind, don't try that. It doesn't work. Ah, that worked. Oh, that fell off.
Did it work? Oh, it did.
Follow the tree.
Hello.
Okay. Follow the route.
Oh, she's here.
Hey. No. Follow him or no. I'm not faster than you. Go faster. Okay. We have a friend! Where's the friend? Come on, I just saw a second yellow thing. Why did you just fire?
I don't know.
When?
Where are you? How do I get up? Ah! Oh my god, I fell.
You did.
Where am I?
Yeah, see the green thing?
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Where am I?
Are you kidding me? Now I have to go the long ways. Oh wait. Hi. Come on. To jump. Let me jump again.
Oh wait, did I do it?
Keep jumping. Oh wait, no you didn't. You can walk.
I can't. This thing is weird.
Jump. There! Now you walk.
I can't still the controller.
Ew.
He killed me.
Oh, I just completely...
Enemies!
Holy, shooting at me, shooting at me.
Get behind cover! I'll try to kill them while I can.
He's shooting at me. You're not helping. Help me. Oh wait, am I in here? I don't see anything.
Wait, don't go any further in there. Do not go any further in there at all.
Why? Why?
Don't go any further in there.
Yeah, just stay in one spot. Stop shooting me. Come to me.
Alright, I'll
That's
go
where
kill
fun
them.
starts.
No. We're really close. Are you kidding me? Reload? I can't die!
And you thought I did what's rearing?
Shield! I'm not holding down shields! Come on, come on.
This is fun. I'll just stand in here.
Wow, the grenade killed his own buddy. Alright, I'm coming! I'm coming! Where did you... You went all the way in there. Wow. Alright. See me? Follow me.
I'm so tempted to shoot you.
You will lose that battle.
I know, but that was fun. We just kept shooting each other.
Okay, we're almost on flood.
Now I'm stuck.
You have to jump. No, just walk up the ramp. How did you not step on the ramp? Okay, where's the control thing? Where's the... Oh, there it is.
Whoa, that's...
Buttons! I love buttons! Buttons!
What did... You just sent us down to our destination. That's
Oh,
tricky. If we shot, would we die?
Hmm?
We shot down.
No, I tried that.
You tried killing yourself?
I was curious.
I'm not going over there.
Sounds like there's like 6 girls down here.
Rar.
First bite.
That was a grunt. That's why they're my favorite. What?
I'm just letting you get shot.
What? What's happening?
Help! They're towards me! Help! 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 I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! No,
I'm behind the shield.
No. Oh, that's gonna help. They're in the next room. I don't think they're even smart enough to figure out that they need to follow you. Open the door, guys. That was really easy. He was like presented his back, like please knock me in the back. Except they don't have a back.
Sacrifice it for me!
After you, Megan.
What? This what?
How are you scared? That wasn't anywhere near you.
They're trying to shoot. Oh, no, they're not.
You shot me! I hate you in the back.
I was like, what?
Hey, can you kill me, please?
Oh, yes. My pleasure.
No. Okay, there. No more killing, okay? I want to make sure you and I have both full health and full ammo. I simply made that happen.
She killed me. Twice.
You killed me.
That means payback. Come back.
No! No, now I'm gonna have to kill you again!
I'm joking. Ow. No, I should...
I'm gonna have to kill you! No! You're going down. You're going down.
This is fun. Oh, I need to reload.
There, I'll stand still so you can kill me with... Go up to me and press this button, okay? This button. There!
Just your fault.
Okay, good. Now we go somewhere.
That's fun.
Oh, we go through this door.
Ow. I missed that door. Hey, this is where we were killing each other. We've played this before.
No, we haven't.
Yeah, we have. I remember going through here. This is where we were killing each other.
No, that was Halo 4. This is Halo CE. Big difference. I mean, big difference. There's no flood in Halo 4.
Oh, I'm gonna sit here.
Why do I have an energy pistol? I'm curious.
Oh, it's still firing.
Where'd he go?
He died.
Where'd he go?
He died.
Oh, hi, friends. Ew.
Ooh.
That's alien blood.
Yay.
What?
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 Move forward. Go through the door.
Oh, cool.
Don't shoot them. They're friendly. Now that I'm on it.
Except for the fact that you've shot me before. On those.
I mean, when it explodes. Not
What?
exploding. Why isn't it exploding? That's
I
disappointing.
can't see.
Okay, if we start to run out of ammo, just don't shoot it.
You're trying to get to explode, though. Oh, yeah, you like those things.
You can take them if you want.
I'm good. Where are we going?
Hey, there's enough for what you too. You should. Okay, press Y. Okay, now switch for the gun knife. No, that's one. Hold X. There. Now walk around over there in that small area. Go right here. Walk straight into me. Walk right in front of that purple thing.
I'm
You
scared.
need to pick up ammo.
Am I going to
There.
explode?
Pick up ammo. Now we have to walk over here.
Ow.
It wasn't even you.
I fell.
Wow. Do you know how scared I am right now? Not at all.
Something's going to happen. How did you get over here?
I jumped?
Oh.
Are you kidding me?
Are you still watching me? Yeah.
I can't see it. Are you kidding me? No! Bad! There we go.
Thank you.
No, I couldn't get up there for a second. I love these eagles. They're so much fun.
Ew.
Stay back! Stay
What?
back! You're not turning me into one.
Stop it!
She killed him! She killed him! Just to make sure. Stay back! What was that? That was so nice. Shut
Oh!
up!
We weren't even here earlier either.
You're like, shut up!
This is the creepy part. This is when things start to get a little...
I'm gonna die.
No, there's no enemies for a little while. Up here again. Do I have to get up here? I can't remember. Stay down there until I figure out exactly how to get up here then. I'll do that. Actually, no. I'll just go to the nearest checkpoint.
Oh,
I'll
fire.
teleport you.
I just.
You can teleport.
There he is. I'm
Calm
just
yourself.
sitting. Oh, shoot me, that sound.
No! Oh, where are you?
Where you left me? I can't even see your checkpoint anymore. It's not
Turn
there.
around. Boo!
I wasn't even aiming, don't worry. Where'd you go?
You're past me like 3 times.
No, look at me. No, look at me. Holy shit! You're trying to shoot me?
No.
Liar. How do I get up there?
You jumped.
Oh, man.
Why did I do that? Now it's just harder to get up.
Oh, did I do it? Where am I?
I have no idea. Where are you? Oh, you actually made it. Good job. Over there. Be careful. There's a hole on the ground because I was an idiot.
No, stop.
What am I hitting?
Yourself? Oh, a door. die.
This is so maze-like, this place.
I know, it reminds me of
Is
the
this
Maze
the
Runner.
bloody thing? No.
Should I be scared?
You should be terrified.
What?
I'm joking.
Button.
Oh, you want to press the button?
Oh, how do you press the button now?
Go here. X.
Button.
This is made of light, and you're walking on it.
Oh, cool. Oh, I almost fell.
It's called a light bridge. You can drive a car on it. Why is there a random assault rifle on the ground? You can take the ammo.
This is a towel.
Oh. Yeah, you took all the ammo.
To just shoot it.
Unlike Halo 4, when you take the ammo, you also don't take the gun, which is quite realistic. Oh. Oh, we're almost at flood. I mean, we're almost at flood. Like, it's literally just down the hallway.
Okay.
Let's go.
Video.
I see how much.
Wait, you're missing the video. You're missing the
It's
video.
only 16 minutes. Okay. I'm just drinking my hot chocolate. Is that me?
You know, it would be, but... Oh, yeah, that guy died. Wow, he doesn't even look at him. In the book... Oh, he does. In the book, he's like, oh, he died? He's sad. That's human blood, by the way.
Don't die.
That wasn't Marine or an ODST? Jenkins! I like Jenkins. He's funny.
No,
I
just-
know. I like...
Watch video.
Oh, he is four. Golden record views, 25, 52. Jenkins, Wallace. His name's Wallace? Wallace!
Hey, Wallace! Like you're watching this.
He dies.
We know
Why do we
Wallace,
always
guys.
have to listen to this old stuff, Sarge?
Watch your mouth, son. This
Watch
stuff
your
is your history. It should remind you once what
Guys, I'm
fights
sorry
to
if this
protect.
I
swearing.
got this.
Hey, does the government want to wipe out this particular part of my history? That's fine by me.
Skid.
Better it
Is
than
that the
us.
guy that died?
You ask her real nice next time you see him, Miss Cynthia. I'm sure they'll be happy to oblige.
Sergeant Johnson.
Now, see,
His shoulders and face.
bringing us down.
Hey, where's the Captain
Go,
Keys?
go,
He
go.
should be there. Fast forward. Double fast forward. All the way to his death.
Stay close, Jenkins.
Yes,
Stay close, Wallace. You should tell him to watch this.
Mendoza,
He won't,
move it up.
but you should tell him.
Pretty
to.
sure he does that.
Watch. No, I mean watch our
Wait
video.
here for the captain and his squad to get your ass inside.
Wallace hates
Sir.
him,
Nice.
so.
Okay, let's move.
Let's go.
Wallace is one of the
Yeah,
many people
why
who
doesn't he
look
ever
at
say
him
go,
and
go, go? That's like his line. What the heck? Dude, what's that? Is this his death?
This is weird, right?
Fake.
Look at it.
Look at it. Something scrambled the insides.
Yeah, plasma scoring.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe there was an accident. You know, friendly fire or something?
What do we have, Sergeant? Looks like a Covenant patrol. Badass elite.
Captain Keys.
All KIA.
That's Captain Keys.
Real pretty.
Okay.
Friend of yours?
No, we just met.
It looks like he's 2 feet. Wait, no, it looks like he's 4 feet.
Oh.
Right, well, let's get this door
Keys,
open.
Sergeant Johnson.
I'll try, sir. But it looks like these Covenant worked pretty hard to lock it down.
That's
Just
a dead
do
dude.
it, son.
Yes, sir.
Oh, we know the dead dude is the one that's watching them.
Yeah. But the guy who died and fell out of the door. I don't know who that is. And then the guy that I killed. Hey, there's the guy that fell out of the door. Where's the guy that I killed? Oh, yeah, he was back there. He's like, ah! He screamed and then I went like, oh, whack him!
Yeah, you're
I
like,
killed him.
Go, it's not safe here. What the heck? What a good teammate.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Oh, there's the guy who fell out of the door.
You always got a bad feeling about
Isn't that the
something.
one that's watching everything?
What's going on, soldier?
Oh.
He's got contact. Blast them. They're not coming.
Where's his blood? Oh, attack.
Corporal, do you copy? Over.
Buddy, friends, grab your controller.
Rosa, get your ass back up to second SWAT's position and find out what the hell is going on. But I don't have time for your lip, soldier. I gave you an order.
Listen.
What is that? Where's that coming from, Mendoza?
I don't. There! Mira!
Hold still! Hold still! Let him have it!
I'm gonna die.
Sergeant, we're surrounded. God damn it, Jenkins!
That isn't
Fire
nearly as
weapons!
much as
There are too many,
well,
Sarge!
the
even
books
think
were
about it.
thousands of them in that one little room. You can't see the floor, though.
What is it? Loco!
Get
No,
back
you're
here,
done.
Marine!
I'm done.
That's an
See,
order!
that's the guy that runs away.
Take it!
We're gonna fight those. He just trucks it. Alright. Let's rock and roll.
Time to die.
For you. You haven't seen any actually.
Oh, blood.
That's all you want. You're just blood. 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 Blood.
Oh, look at all of it.
All of it. Like,
Oh,
wow.
shoot.
What happened to the body? Oh, yeah. I forgot. Okay. Oh, enemies are coming. Stay in the very center. Come right here.
Where are you?
Behind you. Oh.
Going up. Stand over here. Where are you? Where are they? Oh, shiznit.
You switch to assault rifle.
Ow.
Why? Do not shoot the ground you're standing on. You will be dead.
Where'd you go?
More enemies. No, reloading, reloading, reloading. Like laughing. Dude, they're dead. You don't have to shoot them that million times. Do not turn into a Marine. Please don't turn into a Marine. Are you kidding me? I can't kill the ground. Alright, they're gonna get up again, aren't they? Alright, working on it. Ah! Help! 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 Why are they big? Told you, flip's scary. What did you say? I want to fight flag because they seem like fun. This seems like that's the best. Kill it. Ugh. Got it. Helped you. Got one. Got it.
I'm just watching you kill these things.
Okay.
I'm not in the
Stay
safe spot.
together.
Am I in safe? No, I'm not. I'm by the
Stay
door.
together.
Come back, where are you?
I'm right behind you. Stop.
No, hi.
Okay.
Can we not leave? I'm just.
No, we have to leave. We have to go back. Unfortunately. We're gonna be fighting this.
You guys are probably laughing your faces off. Right now. If she is, you are. I wonder what my face looked like.
I wonder what my face looks like.
You were laughing. I'm screaming.
No, I screamed a little bit. A little bit. Just a little bit. Hey, there's that one that's they just like broke the door down. We have to like hack it. That face looks weird. That looks weird anyway.
Oh, there's
Enemies! Contacts! Enemy contact! Come back! Ah! Look out! I stick at him! Cassandra! Help! I can't do it alone!
Shot me.
Ah! Need a hand here! Or a gun! Anything really! Hi, little fat thing! Ow! Kill it! There was one, and you go and shoot like there's a million of them. Let's break this glass. Seems like a good idea. And let's go to the open door. Enemies! That's a lot of enemies. Hide me! I'm trying to shield.
I'm just hiding. They're all down there. Holy crap, look at them. Let's not go across the bridge.
I almost fell there. There's one up here. I know there is, because I just shot it.
You're welcome.
Okay, that one's gonna come back alive.
How do you know?
Because they killed them with assault rifles, always come back alive.
We should go.
We should go. Cross the
they're
bridge.
everywhere.
Now. Cross it as fast as you can. Jump.
They're everywhere.
Jump on the edge. Ah! Do it!
Oh shit, I'm down here.
No! Alright, I'm coming! Ah! Ow! You hurt my ears!
I'm really loud.
Yeah, I noticed. Get away from them. Now. You hurt my ears.
I heard my voice.
Ow. You hurt my ears. You literally screamed in my ear. You're like, ah! You, ow, that hurts.
Where'd you go?
I'm thinking. Oh, reload. Press X.
Did we all reload at the same time? I can breathe.
Okay. You know how creeped out it was the first time I played this?
Well, I'm playing it now for the first time.
Yeah, I was actually worse than you.
Because you were the only one playing.
Yeah. Also, I knew it was gonna happen.
Sorry.
Oh, we have to go up there? Oh.
Where? I think I'm losing my voice.
Oh, here. Okay, let's go.
Sure, we
What?
should go. What? Nice.
Ah,
What's down there?
go forward. I'll go backwards. I don't care. Are you kidding me?
What just happened? What?
Stop it! Okay.
Can you not touch the blood or something?
No, you just check my
You get it.
Die! Are you kidding me? That didn't kill it? Oh no! Oh no! Check a grenade! Check a grenade! Check a grenade! Ah, sorry! I just shot you!
You guys don't care?
Ah! Ah!
Did I just shoot you?
Help! 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 I'm gonna die! 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 I'm gonna die!
I'm not even dead yet. I'm so
Killing? That took up all my motion sensor? No, there's something worse.
Heart attack.
No, the big one. Somewhere. Wait, let me. I'm almost dead.
Close.
It's really close. Where is it? Hello? Hello?
Don't ask it.
Hello?
You look up. Me. Oh, something dropped. I'm really scared. It's like right on top of me.
I know.
Where?
What are you doing? Don't waste your ammo.
Can't see.
Ammo isn't very,
It's like really close to. Oh my gosh, there's more than one.
Reload. X. I need to use this a little bit more. If I find a shotgun, I call dibs.
Okay, I'm good with that.
Because I'm gonna be the one. I'm always good. Okay, you take the little ones
Hey,
and
there's
I'll
a
take
door.
the big ones, okay?
Dude, I'm gonna shoot whatever attacks me, okay?
I know, but you, when you're not being attacked,
Seriously?
we just came from here. We went the wrong way. Where is it? Correction. What is it? Motion sensors
There's
are
more
picking
than
it up. I know, there's like 5, 10 of them. You have to get
Scares
up.
me.
Oh,
Why would you
wait!
want to get up?
Because we have to...
If they're up there.
We're trying to get out. Wait, are we? Yeah! Escape. You know what's bad when the Master Chief is ordered to escape with his life? That's really bad. No, I found a door! I figured it out. Yeah, it's clean. know what they are
I
coming
can hear
from.
them. Oh, that's a lot. Oh, that's a lot going in there. Can we not go in there? Can we not go in there? Let's not go in there. Where'd you go? Jared! Let's not go in there. Don't go in there. You're going in there? It's okay if I wait here.
Help! Help! No one isn't! No one isn't! No one isn't! Get out here now!
Oh, they're all the little ones. I shall save you, Grunt. Yay!
Oh, I killed it. Killing! Ow! Ow! Dying! 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 Killing again! Dying! Still dying! Help! Ow! You shot me! Ah! Ah! I'm gonna die! Gonna die! Gonna die! Yes, I do, because I'm the one who's actually doing all the stuff.
It's funny. I love how I'm not checking it. Stop shooting it.
I'm not. I'm hitting it. Big difference. Lights behind us? Where?
Where?
It's in the wall. Oh, right. It's in the wall. I forgot. Anyways. Only has 3 health. That's not very good. I'm gonna die soon. Hey, can you come and hit me? Please, let's do it. Hit!
Watch out, go there.
Again. There we go. Okay, now we have full ammo and full health. Let's go.
Well, at least you do.
Yeah.
Where'd you go?
Where's the door?
Where did you go?
I'm lost.
Sometimes what you need to do is just die.
We both have to die at the same time. That's possible. I took a grenade in the ground, huddle around it. That'll work. Should we do that? How come you have 4 grenades?
No,
I have 2, and I'm doing all the work.
I've never even used one before, so that's good.
I have 4 now. I found them. That door's creeping me out.
Let's go in.
No, that's where we just came from.
I can hear them.
Don't.
Oh my gosh, look at the sensor thing.
I know. That's why I want to get away from there. What do you think it is? Aww. Why was it? Die, light! Stupid light! Die! Don't shoot it. Please. Or else, hey, should I kill you to give you all your ammo back?
I'm ready.
Eh?
I'm not even watching. Just
No, look down! You blocked it! Are you kidding me? What? Why did it take 3 hits?
That was fun. Where are my 4 grenades? You took it.
No, you can only carry 4. You want grenades?
No, I only have 3. I have 2 now.
Okay. Welcome to your dead body. There's nothing right there.
I have 4 again.
Go to your dead body. There's grenades there.
Why am I dead next to that thing? I don't
Because that's what's happening.
Aww.
Where'd you go?
Health pack? Are you kidding me? We could have just healed that way. We didn't have to kill each other.
Ooh, nice. Did you hear them?
Knock, knock, knock! Takes so long to knock 3 times.
Stop it. What do I look like right now?
I have no idea. Where are you? No, hit! Same button I showed you earlier.
Oh wait, I have to do this. Okay, back to the game. I have to see if they're still able to see. Yep.
What do I look like right now?
I'll check. It's been 34 minutes, by the way.
This can be real long
We
video.
have to go play. No, because I only have 45 minutes on here, so we have to find out how to get out of here.
Oh, right. That's a problem.
You know, I'll pause it.
I found another door.
Never mind.
Hey, that might be the one we came out of. I'll quickly check.
Go check.
Oh, yeah. that was really nice. Okay, don't go through that door. That door's bad.
Why?
I don't know. It's bad. Oh yeah, it's the door by your dead body. Forgot.
Where?
How do we get out?
You know, I'm just gonna pause this. Never mind.
Do you know how much that scared me?
That was so awesome. Hi. Why are you twerking?
No, you threw me off.
Hey, there's a door.
Is there a shotgun anywhere? Shotgun? Shotgun? Shotgun?
Oh, it's a door.
Where?
I don't know.
Where's the door?
Right there.
Wait. This has enemies in it.
Yep.
Oh wait, no, they're below us.
Where?
It's locked. Open up.
Okay, go back. Wrong way. Go faster, away from the creepy noises.
Where do we go?
Oh, we have to press this button. Near the bridge.
Ooh, bridge.
Oh,
What?
right. It turns off.
Be right down.
I'm still over here.
Oh wait, this isn't the one that turns off. I forgot. There's one that's turning on and off and on and off.
You
It's like,
smart.
oh,
Scared.
go!
Oh, there's a shield.
Enemies!
Hello. You want a hug?
Wish I knew it was that weapon earlier. Ow, my ears! My poor ears!
I'm sorry.
Behind you! Are you kidding me? Let me reload! Let me reload! Kill the thing, not the ground!
I'm just shooting whatever, man.
You know, I died because I just ran across that once.
I died because you shot me.
That was an accident.
Shut up.
Oh, that was the elevator.
You're smart.
No, did you see it like fell flaming from the sky?
Alright, lucky we're not here.
Yeah, the thing died.
I love if I fell off this right now.
Okay, we have to
Whoa!
go to the door. What are you doing? Wasting ammo?
Yep.
Okay.
Where'd you go?
I think I can go through here.
My voice hurts.
Not go through there. That was a confusing. Okay, go through the door thing. I can't enter.
Why?
Here.
Why?
Because it's the wrong way. Has to be another elevator. Has to be. I don't like elevators. Maybe I don't like anyone.
Hey, look. There's green. Green.
Oh, red. Lots of it.
Red, green, red, green, red, green, red. Yes, don't worry. Don't worry. Okay.
Well, I think we have to go down.
No. Goes down that. You just got up here.
No. No, creep up.
Back.
And go.
Where are you?
I have no idea. I don't have a checkpoint, but I killed you. It's like completely ditched you. Go down. You have to fall down. There's no enemies, I guarantee you.
And then I
Wait,
died.
why are you going in? How did you get there? No spot. Do you have to go all the way back? Oh, go through that door. There are no enemies. I promise. 'Cause I just
Look
walked
at the red.
I just walked.
Oh, they're in there.
I know. Come on, I'm at the other door. Hi.
Oh, you scared me.
Told you, I'm at the other door. Hi. And you're like, ah. How can you be scared? I told you I wasn't here. That's like being scared of your own shadow.
It's a door. That is
What's this? What's this? There is a dead thing. What's this? What's this? There's still more dead thing.
Where did I? What?
Go forward. This is that really annoying door. Go! Go before I hit you!
In here.
Yeah, I know. We had to go all the way back.
What?
We have to find another.
So we screamed for nothing?
Help!
Hey, this was really hard to get
Help!
in here.
Help! Oh, don't go this way. It's the wrong way.
Idiot. Joking. I love you. Why? Whoa! Was that grenade? Why is that beeping?
I just shot you. You missed. Help! 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 He's gonna kill me.
It was like,
You can't see me anymore. Oh wait, you're behind the crate.
you idiot.
You can't.
Funny.
3, 2, 1, jump! Really? 3, 2, 1, jump!
This is fun. Okay, back to the day.
Anyways.
That was fun.
Okay, what are we doing? What are we doing? How do we do this?
Okay.
Not fellow time! Why do I have... What? Whee! This looks so beautiful! It's so beautiful! You shot me. Ow! You shot me!
I'm just shooting it. Ow.
Hello!
I died. Hey! This is fine.
Your grenades are still there. I promise. Why did you just chuck a grenade?
You idiot. You walked towards it too. Okay, guys, we're gonna have to end that there. We're just gonna continue.
That's part one.
We're gonna have to end this here, okay?
That's part one.
Bye, thanks for watching.